Only half of the bridge is open. The right leaf, the left leaf has construction work with some substructures below the 27-foot posted bridge clearance. You'll see we'll go through and our mast will clear. Just watch the starboard side fender boards. And now look at this. If you were expecting the bridge to be 27 feet high, you would be in for a rude awakening with all of that work platform and scaffolding that's hanging down along with those yellow lights. This is the NASA Haulover Canal Bridge just north of Titusville, Florida, on the Intracoastal Waterway. If you have questions about drawbridges, check out our video, Bridges, or Ask Captain Chris.